Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can add a label to your issues and items on GitHub. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the issue you would like to edit or customize. So to do that, navigate to repository on GitHub, navigate to issues inside the repository, and click into the issue you would like to customize. Let me go with this one. And here to the right, you will see that panel with labels. So if you haven't added any of these labels yet, click into it and you will see a list of already created labels like, for example, duplicate or a bug or a question, help wanted, and so on and so forth. So select the one you would like to go with. I'm going to label this one as a bug, and you will see the label added here and also in the action history here now. Which means, guys, that the label has been successfully assigned. Something isn't working in this case here for bugs. That's what that label means. That's how it works, guys. You don't need to save anything manually. Simply navigate back to your issues. And if I click into, if I head over to the overview, you will see that these labels are listed here. And you may, for example, filter by these labels and filter out any issues under the specific label. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.